Well, good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. We made it to the end of another week. Everyone has been doing a wonderful job online, and I've been watching the YouTube channels, the views. So it looks like everyone is using the instructional videos as needed. So good job. Thumbs up to everyone. I hope everyone had a good week. And I know next week will be another more intriguing week, and we'll try to have more activities for you to get up and move around and make it a little bit more exciting, like if we were in the classroom. I know it gets tiresome to be sitting down in front of a computer all day, so I'm planning on addressing that. Today is Group D, and Group D is the only one that has the instructional video because today the other group is taking a unit test. So Group D, we're working on model perimeter. 17.1, very easy section here. We might even go through a few more next week. We might even double up on some of these sections because I know we've already done some of these before when we did the Lone Star Rigger. So this may just be a review. So we're going to move swiftly through this. Of course, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. So I want to say hello to everyone. Hello, Isa. Hello, Lena. Hello, Mariam. Hello, Raman. Hello, Jabril. Hello, Mr. Lowe. Hello, Zehna. Who else am I missing? Missing somebody else. Hopefully I'll make my list before I leave right now. So let me go down the row right now. I'm just making a visual picture. I see Raman. Hello, Raman. Hello, Ayan. I think I missed Ayan right now. Hello, Isa. Thank you so much for the documents that you've been uploading. Those of you that did the PowerPoint, that went the extra mile on Wednesday's activity, great job. Those PowerPoints came out very well. Ayan, you did a real good job. So did Mr. Lowe. And I think those are the only two that I reviewed. I know there was a few more that were sent. So thank you for that, because that was the next step. Hopefully everyone's doing well. So let's go in and embark on this real quick. We don't have the geo boards. We're not in the classroom. So we're just going to move on and take a look and make sure we understand what we're doing when we're looking at perimeter. So make sure you understand what the perimeter is. If you don't have this in your math notebooks, go ahead and add it in there. So add it to your table of contents, whatever number it is, and then perimeter, you can draw a picture. You have a lot of notes to do, so I'll let you do that on your own. Perimeter is the distance around a figure, okay? So we don't have the geo boards here, so we're going to go ahead and just use the grid paper here, the dot paper. Very simple to do. They want us to make a rectangle that is 3 units on two sides and 2 units on the other side. And this is a unit right here, okay? This is a unit right here. So 3 units on one side, it's a rectangle. I'm going to start here. There's 1 unit, there's 2 units, and there's 3 units. Okay, notice 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, and 2 units on the other side. There's 1 unit, that's 2, 1 unit, 2, and of course these will be congruent. So trace your rectangle. So write the length next to each side of your rectangle. So this is 3, this is 3. This is 2, and this is 2. And you should already be seeing right now, when we do perimeter, all we do is we add all the sides, even if it's not a regular shape. Okay? So if it's not, we still count the units. That's what we need to understand right now. And what I did when I was a young Mr. Lopez, this is the way I did them. I identified my units by putting a little tally mark on it. Just made it easier for me when I had irregular shapes. I'd count the unit. I'd put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and if we notice 10, it was my number here. If I add these, 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 2 is 8, plus another 2 is 10. But this way I'll be able to identify all my the units here, because if I just try to count them by counting the dots or anything else, when it comes to an irregular shape, there will be issues with that. So that's the way I do it, and that's a good way for you to count the tally marks there. I forgot the name of my teacher that taught me that. Can't remember where it was, but it'll come back to me. And here, what we added the numbers here. Of course, you would put the numbers here, and the unit is 10. It's asking you how would the perimeter of the rectangle change if the sides was now 4. Well, they added one more here, and they added one more here, so you'd add 2 more units. So instead of 10, you come up with 12. Okay? So not because now it's 4. So it's 4 plus 4 is 8. Then the other 2 going down, 10, and the other 2 on the other side is 12. Perimeters is very easy to understand. Here you have your grid paper, and again, go ahead and trace this shape right here. I'll let you do that, because I have a lot of hard times tracing that. But you would trace it. Oops. Trace it. Good. Okay, count them. Okay. Again, count them. Put the little tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Did everybody get 16? Good. Count the rest. 1. I'll trace it. And here we have a shape right here. This is where we have to be very careful here. Okay. So put your tally mark. It's 1. Another one here, 2. 3. Now this is a tally mark right here. This is a unit right here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Did I get that right? 14. Hopefully I didn't ups. Sorry about that. So you get the idea of here. Simple, very easy. I know this is way too easy right now. Again, find the perimeter of each figure. Each unit is 1. So let's go ahead and count them. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I got 14 here. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay? Simple. Just counting. We're counting the units. This is the key right here when we get to this shape right here, because sometimes students will forget to count these inside. They'll count this one, they'll count this one, and this is the area that they'll have. They'll miss that one. That's why I like to put tally marks. It's just I'm a visual person. I need to see it. Some of you are very good at mental math, but this is where you have to do the dance. Okay, so here we have Kevin, who Kevin had counted the perimeter on A. Oops. And he got a total of 18 units. And I want you to go ahead and count this same shape and see how many units you get. What's your perimeter? Okay. So go ahead and do that right now. So they're asking you, use the grid paper on the right to find the correct perimeter of each figure. Apply. Describe the error that Kevin made. Okay. And circle the places in the drawings of Kevin's solution where he made the errors. And we just talked about that right now. So if we take a look at it real quick, he forgot to count this one here. And which one else? And he forgot to count this one here. See how you didn't count those? And that is the most common error that students make when they count perimeter. They'll count this one here, and then for some reason they'll skip this one and go to the next one here. And it's just because of the irregular shape, and he did it here too. So that was the error that he made. So if he made 2 errors, so you should have a perimeter of 20 here. Okay? So be very careful. So that's why we put tally marks. You put tally marks. It's a visual. You'll be able to see it. You'll be able to see if you made any errors. Perimeter is very easy. Okay, explain how to find the length of each side of a triangle with 2 sides of equal length, and a perimeter 27. Well, Okay, they're giving me the perimeter. I know what that is. Perimeter is 27. Triangle. 3 equal sides. This is equal. This one's equal. So I have 3, so I should be able to... Ooh, that's not a very good 27, is it? Sorry. 27 divided by 3, and that each side has to be 7. Has to be. Okay. Oh, hold on, 27 inches. I'm sorry, sorry. I knew I saw something wrong there. It's 9. It's 9. I'm sorry, Mr. Lopez was looking at. That's why you shouldn't have the TV on. Let me turn it off. I'm sorry about that. Sorry about that. I knew it didn't look right. No, it's 9. Because 9 times 27 divided by 3 is 9. Because 3 times 9 equals 27. So that's why it's very important when you're in front of the, when you're working, turn everything off. Turn everything off. Sorry about that. Okay, so that's how you would get that one. Very easy. I know Mr. Lowe, Isa, Ayan, I know Jabril, Lena, Miriam, Ramen, you saw that error right away. Because I know how smart you are. So good job. Good job. Okay, you have your daily task assessment today. You have your homework again today. Very simple. You also have your online Think Central. Good luck. I'm looking at straight hundreds from everyone with this one here. So take your time, stay focused, and again, thank you for all your hard work. And I hope to see you soon. I hope to hear your voices soon. And just know that I miss all of you a lot. And to stay positive, things will get better. We will overcome this obstacle right now. And please, please help your parents. Please, above all, your parents have a lot on their table right now, a lot on their plate right now. It's very difficult, especially if you have more siblings at home. It's not easy. It's not easy to organize. It's not easy to keep everyone busy. So please do your part. Make sure you say thank you to them. All right, for now, this is Mr. Lopez signing off. Have a great, great afternoon and enjoy your weekend.